In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to synchronize data between Opera GX browser. By the end, your bookmarks, history, passwords, open tabs, and settings can follow you seamlessly across your devices, so you always pick up right where you left off. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are available. It's best to keep the browser up to date to ensure the sync options you see match what I'm describing. Look to the left sidebar for the gear-shaped settings icon and click it. This opens the main settings panel where you manage how the browser behaves and how your data is handled. Inside settings, locate the synchronization area. This section controls whether your data is stored locally or securely synced to your Opera account. Click it to view your current status and options. Make sure you're signed in to your Opera account. If you're already signed in, you'll see your status reflected there. Being signed in is what allows Opera GX to associate your data with your account and deliver it to your other devices that use the same sign-in. Next, open Advanced Sync Settings. Here, choose Sync Everything. This is the fastest way to keep your browsing consistent because it includes bookmarks, history, passwords, settings, open tabs, and more. If you prefer a tighter level of control, you can review the categories listed here and confirm exactly what's included before you close the panel. After a moment, you should see the sync indicator confirm that your data is up to date. Keep the browser running and connected to the internet while the first sync completes. If you're moving to Opera GX from another browser, you can also import bookmarks and settings in this same area. Choose the browser you used before, select the items you want to bring over like bookmarks, saved passwords, or autofill data, and start the import. Once that's done, those items become part of your profile and will be included in your sync going forward. That's it. With these settings in place, Opera GX will keep your browsing data consistent across your devices, so everything you need is right where you expect it.